Working attachment. Boom. Arm. Bucket. Pins. Linkage and rocker. Undercarriage system. Track tension cylinder. Track. Carrier roller. Track roller. Idler. Sprocket. Frame and attachments. Upper frame. Machine nameplate and stamped serial number. Lower frame. Swing bearing assembly. Counterweight. Engine hood. Engine system. Engine nameplate. Fuel tank. Fuel injector. Fuel pre-filter. Fuel fine filter. Oil pan. Engine oil filter. Dipstick. Air pre-cleaner. Air filter. Muffler and exhaust pipe. Thermostat. Radiator. Coolant reservoir tank. Cooling fan and drive pulley. Starter motor. Alternator. Hydraulic system. Hydraulic oil tank. Hydraulic oil cooler. Suction filter. Return filter. Main pump suction hose. Main pump. Pilot filter. Main control valve. Swing motor and reduction gearbox. Travel motor and reduction gearbox. Boom cylinder. Arm cylinder. Bucket cylinder. Electrical system. Main power switch. Work light. Electrical control box assembly. Fuse box. Engine control unit. Cab. Pilot safety lock. Pilot control lever. Ignition switch. Electronic monitor. Rear view display screen. Throttle knob. Radio control panel. Air conditioning control panel. Dozer blade control lever. Work light switch. Headlight switch. High-low speed selector switch. Travel pilot control lever and pedal. Attachment control pedal. Air conditioning evaporator.